Greetings. I just got a text from my wife that I took this stuff off my wood stove. She says the wood stove stinks. She's asked me to put it back on, but I wanted to document all this stuff. This is a prototype Bellows Box. It's the control system. These are components to the plenum. You can see they're very dusty. They've been operating on this wood stove for approximately 6 to 8 months, and everything got dusty. I had planned to clean it up and photograph that, and I guess I have to do it now. It is 90 degrees outside, and so this thing has been pumping air into my wood stove for 6 months. It's not too dusty, it is dusty, so I'm going to turn on a compressor, blow things off, wipe it down, put it all back together, and you can see how it works. Anything that has air pumping through it is going to need some maintenance, dusting it off, but it doesn't take much. All right. I'll go get a power supply. I will leave things going and be right back. Alright, now we have a power supply. Unit is powering off. This wire is for debugging purposes. Alright, so just hit some buttons here. Fan operates. Good enough. Dust's in place. This is going to go here. This is going to go here. This is going to go here. And eventually it'll look something like this. So those are the parts of this system. These parts are unique to the wood stove I'm going to install it on, and it's all ready to go. I'm going to go put it in.